guys, this is my office fridge. So this is like the little fridge that I have in my office, and this is normally what I have in it. I have like some red grapefruit, there's some cherry red tomatoes. I mean I have cherries right here, and then I have cherry tomatoes. These are mangoes, that's cucumber there, that's some peaches, nectarines, some cabbage already cut up, some spinach. I use that for sandwiches and stuff like that. And then up here I have some Kerrygold, this new creamer, some iced coffee, and yeah, pretty simple, nothing like major.